Hello. Hi. Good evening, folks. Uh, so, as I was introduced, so I head the business of Fundle.AI. Uh, as I was listening to, going through the sessions earlier, what I understand that both the developers and as well as the retailers are doing multiple engagements to, one, drive customers in, and then retain those customers for them to come back again to the property so that we are able to drive incremental sales for the retail businesses. So this is where we kind of come in. We create one integrated ecosystem for the developers and as well as the retail merchants and also the consumers, wherein we are able to create one central platform or a one holistic approach, which involves all three stakeholders. And that is where I want to kind of go through this journey with you of Fundle. So Fundle is an integrated management solution for specifically for malls, airports, and as well as real estate, wherein the challenges that we identified specifically to mall developers is that there are multiple solutions handling various operational matters at the property. So wherein we created one central or one-stop shop mall SaaS platform, which allows us to integrate across all modules and create a 360-degree platform. So these are the solutions wherein we overcome one, enhanced efficiency in terms of creating high operational, overall in terms of creating operational areas, integrating various departments, so that the data flows in directly from the ADSR, which is the tenant revenue sales, to the loyalty and rewards. And finally, we are able to get that data into our central CRM platform. So that's wherein we come in, wherein we create one platform which powers up the shopper, which is the central part of that property, which is further powering up the retailer, because shopper, of course, more the incremental shoppers are coming to the retailers, is where it drives up the sales. And finally, it creates a win-win situation for the mall developer, because the increase in the sales adds to the revenue share of that shopping center. So we as Fundle team, we do end-to-end management of the entire 360-degree gamut of that mall center, so that we are able to add value across these three stakeholders. So that's how we do it, wherein these are the 6 modules of the Fundle platform, wherein first of all, we have the mall ADSR. Mall ADSR allows us to automate tenant revenue sales data, which then directly kind of flows in to mall loyalty engine. So what we are saying is that sales data right now is very valuable, but currently there are different solution providers who do that function just for capturing sales. But what we have created an innovative approach is that we marry that sales data with the consumer loyalty data, which has much more value for you, which powers up the AI engine, and henceforth it throws much valuable insights for the retailers as well as for the mall developer. Also, one of the challenges what we've seen in terms of the loyalty program is sourcing of rewards from the mall developer side. So again, we as Fundle team would be managing end-to-end in terms of not only sourcing the rewards, but also creating the complete tech platform in terms of creating the reward store for that particular mall developer. Apart from that, we've also come out with the social community app for the malls, where I understand that different communities are entering inside the mall. Like somebody is a fashion enthusiast, somebody is like a food lover, or somebody is like a sports enthusiast. So henceforth, we create various communities, programs, which are digital programs, and then create activities around these programs, which helps us to, one, enhance overall experience of the consumers, and then convert them into incremental ROIs for maybe a brand like a Decathlon, which comes under a sports category, or maybe a Burkos, which comes under a food category. And finally, some of the other modules which adds up to the 360-degree approach is leasing SOH management, third-party IoT integrations, and the facility management solutions. So from a ADSR approach, what we are saying is that the platform, since it is integrated across all the tenants, it captures real-time live sales data across multiple point-of-sale vendors. Once the data is captured, then the platform also has an AI-powered auto reco, is where a lot of the mall developers face this challenge because there is a delta between what is data captured and what is invoiced to the tenants. So henceforth, there is an AI-powered auto reco which helps us to map that data and henceforth timely invoicing the tenant retailers. So we solve for that challenge for the developers. The next one was the loyalty program for shopping malls, where each and every module that we could think of or find in terms of loyalty and rewards, we have kind of integrated to create a powerhouse of loyalty program for the malls. So what we've done is that we have created multiple tech modules wherein we are able to not only auto-acquire customers, but also accrue them points for every shopping which they are doing inside the mall using our Fundle platform. So just for instance, if a consumer who enters inside the mall shops as a Nike or a Adidas, there is a WhatsApp channel of the mall that we create. They just have to submit their bill on the WhatsApp channel, and our platform will auto-read that bill, so that this is from Nike, this is the bill number, bill date, the bill amount, and it will tag to the consumer mobile number and auto send out a reward to the consumer that so many points have been accrued in your account. So that's just one part of it. Then there are various other innovative integrations like QR-based, concierge, pay by points at retailers, where like in case of traditional way of how mall loyalty programs work, where consumers have to go to a concierge, redeem their points, get a gift voucher, and again go back to the retailer to get their reward gratified. In this case, we kind of skip all of that. The platform is real-time integrated to the retailer. Consumers, suppose they have X number of points in that mall loyalty program. They may go to a Nike or a Haldiram. They may just scan a QR code. It will auto-read that so many points have been accrued in that X mall loyalty program, and they will be able to auto-redeem those points at the point of till of that retailer. So these are some innovative solutions to ease out or create much more convenience or add value to the consumers, which henceforth backtracks adding value to the retailers, because then they get more of an experiential or a more of a convenience program from the mall developer. And finally, it adds to the retailer sales, which further, as I was saying, that it adds to the overall mall sales. Also, the platform has real-time analytics, wherein, as I said, it's an AI-powered engine. So the platform then auto-throws recommendations on what is the sales forecast or sales trends in terms of the ADSR or in terms of the loyalty. It also kind of auto-throws consumer insights or trends. I think my time is up. But thank you so much for listening to me. Thanks.